Welcome to Crafting with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make these. These are really cool stationery packs that I'm creating for my daughter for her friends at school for Valentine's Day. We made a whole bunch. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this stationery pack. I am going to start with some scoring as usual. We're going to score this piece, which is 6 inches by 3.5 inches at half, 1, 5, 5.5. So that's on the 6 side. We're going to turn it to the 3.5 side and score 2.5 and 3. That's all the scoring we're doing for today. We're going to put this aside and we're going to round some of the edges of our papers. So this is the base and the layer for it. We're going to round just the top edges of these. This layer is 4 inches by 6 inches. And this is 3 7/8 by 5 7/8. This layer is 3 7/8 by 4. You're rounding just the top on the 3 7/8 side, like so. And for this one, which is 3 7/8 by 2 3/8, you're rounding the corner, but with the 4mm rounding, not the 10mm. So just a smaller round. It just looks neater to the front of the pouch. I printed some sentiments for Kate. I cut out one. The one that we cut out is 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. I'm going to round the edges of that also. Now I'm going to fold and burnish in all my score lines. I'm going to show you how to cut this piece. So this is how you're cutting this piece. You're cutting at an angle here and at an angle here. You're doing the same on the other side. Cut up this piece. Cut straight across this one and up this one. And then you're going to cut a little sliver off the sides of these two. You're going to do the same thing on this side. So it should look like this. Now let's stick this together one time. You're going to fold this up, put some glue, and fold it in and line it up perfectly with this. Do the same thing on the other side. It's perfect. And now we're done with this one. I found 3 Valentine's Day inspired coloring pages online, and I've cut 3 of them out at 3 by 4.5. I have a really cool You Rock conversation heart, and now we're going to put everything together. So the first thing I want you to do is put everything aside and grab your base and your layer for your base and put them together. Once you've done this, you're going to grab the smallest of the Sizzix oval dies, and I'm going to do a cutout to the very top of this card. You're looking to maybe leave 3/8 of an inch of the top. All right, see, these are both 3/4 inches. I like how that looks there, and I'm going to probably stick this down here. That's perfect. Let's cut this out with my Big Shot machine. Make your sandwich. Perfect. That's That's wonderful. So we have our cutout. Now grab your coloring page holder, and this is going to stick down here, straight down to the end like this. Grab your glue and grab your bone folder. Put your bone folder on the inside of this, and then just grab your glue, put glue here, here, and here. Leave your bone folder on top here. Put your paper down to the end, hold it down, and hold it down to the edges just like so. Make sure you put pressure on both sides for a long time so it sticks down perfectly. And you can put out your bone folder because it's already open now. Grab your coloring pages and stick them in. Make sure they can go all the way in, and make sure there's a clearance up here. Once there is, you can take out your coloring pages just to make sure no glue gets on them so they can dry. That's perfect. Now we're going to grab this piece and open it. You're going to put glue here and here, then all the way up the sides and all of them. Grabbing this just like so, and you're holding it and you're lining it up perfectly with your base like so, holding it down, sticking it down, make sure the base goes down, and then making sure the sides are at your 4 inches there. Once you've gotten everything stuck down perfectly and you make sure it's lined up, see this is too far in, I have to push this down a little bit, push this in a little bit, right? Now you're going to turn it around and use your bone folder to just make sure the sides are stuck down. All the way on the inside, all the way up the sides. Make sure and check and make sure it's inside. That's perfect right there. Now we're going to grab our sentiments like so, like so. We're going to grab a conversation heart saying "You rock" and put dimensionals on. You're taking this conversation heart and sticking it just to the corner right here. This is perfect, and that's pretty much it. What you're going to do now is you're just going to add some coloring pages, a pack of crayons, a pencil, sharpener, and I got some really cute erasers from the store. So we're going to put an ice cream eraser in this one. I got a piece of ribbon that is 15 inches, and I'm going to tie a bow at the top. That's perfect for me. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the ends, secure them, and I'm going to just put a dot of glue on the middle of the bow so it wouldn't unravel. Right, perfect. And now to pack this case, I am going to grab my coloring pages, slide them in here. The full height of this pencil will cover the top, so I sharpened it down so that it wouldn't get stuck with it. So you put in a pencil that doesn't cross the top, a really cool pack of Crayola crayons, also put in a sharpener for their pencil, and a really cute ice cream eraser. This is your awesome stationery gift pack. prepared to make my 8 more. Just showing you my process. So far I've gotten all of these stuck together with the holes in them. I've gotten all of the bases stuck down. And now all I have to do is get this stuck to that. Okay, so I got all of these layered. See, so they're all here layered. They're being stuck down together. I'm gonna stick this onto this now. I got all of these layered. Now about to put all the hearts on them like this. And these are all my little hearts layered with dimensionals. Hi guys! So I have my kit here and we're about to pack everything. So I've done like a little system for us. So we have the packages that I've made today for her. We have all the coloring pages. What else we have, Kate? We have the crayons. What else we have? We have pencils, erasers, and sharpeners. So what we're doing is we're taking, and last one. So we have the coloring pages. You go ahead, Kate, you pack it. Kate is packing this one by herself. What do you pack next? Pencil. Crayons. Sharpener. Very good. Pizza. Dinosaur. And show them your nice creation. Yay! You excited to give your friends this tomorrow at school? Yes. So we have all your packages in this little cute storage box. She's going to take it to school tomorrow and give out to all her friends. Thanks so much for joining me while we made these. A whole bunch of these. It was so much fun. Right, Kate?
Yes!
Yes! What was your favorite part? Making them. Which part? Sticking it together or folding the paper? Putting the things in. That was my favorite part too. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.
Stay crafty, my friends.